connections. And so I was curious to learn, but then as I discovered mathematics and science, especially physics, I found myself being drawn to those subjects more than others,
Wow. Okay.
because I was just amazed by how much problem solving you could do with just a few foundational principles,
Mm-hmm.
like few laws, rules, and you just apply them to different settings, and you're able to solve this whole like class of problems, right? Which
True.
which didn't feel like the same thing in um, the other disciplines like the humanities or languages. Um, and so I just had a natural affinity to maths and science. Everything about those two disciplines, fascinated me. Um, so I think academically, those were things I was passionate about.
Right.
And outside of academics, I loved sports.
Okay.
I think I don't think I think sports has a tremendous potential to develop grit
Yeah.
in children, but I don't think I developed grit in sports. And I think I also had a bit of a fixed mindset, which in hindsight now I can recognize. But what sports did teach me, so I absolutely despised competition.
Mm.
I competed, but it tore me down. But what I did love in sports was the community, and it taught me a lot about relationships and using teams to learn from and to again enjoy the process.
Mm.
So that was another thing, and of course the arts. I grew up in this little bubble in Bandra, very close knit community, and um, arts was very central to everything we did as children.
Wow.
It was not uncommon to hear every floor playing loud music on a Saturday or Sunday, dance, music. I remember at my family parties, someone would just, start on the piano or with a guitar, and everyone was singing. It was part of the culture, like singing along was what they did at a party.
Yeah.
And I think I have a very, very strong connection to the creative arts that still lives on to today. And I think in all the schools I've been in, I've also been an advocate or a champion for developing arts programs. I don't think
Wow.
I've reached my goals yet, but definitely developed that passion early on in my childhood.